Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt calm? Like the space just made sense, that's no accident. There's an ancient practice called Feng Shui that can help you create spaces that not only feel good, but also bring balance, harmony, and even good fortune into your life. At the core of Feng Shui is the Bagua Map. This is a tool that divides your space into 9 areas, each representing key aspects of life, like health, wealth, relationships, and more. By arranging your environment according to the Bagua, you can channel positive energy into every part of your life. Today, I'm going to show you 10 easy steps to get started with Feng Shui and bring these benefits into your home. Let's dive in and get started now. Step 1. Declutter your space. The very first step to good Feng Shui is decluttering. Clutter is like an energy block. It stops the free flow of qi energy through your space. Start with the easiest room in your home. Tidy up, organize, and breathe deeply as the energy begins to circulate. Step 2. Welcome energy through your front door. The front door is where all the positive energy enters your home. Make sure it's inviting. Clean the door, keep the entrance well lit, and perhaps add a welcoming doormat. This is your gateway to good luck. Step 3. Position your bed correctly. Your bed should always be in a command position, meaning you can see the door, but you aren't directly in line with it. This positioning creates a sense of security, which brings peace and restful sleep. Step 4. Balance Yin and Yang. Feng Shui is all about balance, especially between Yin, soft calm energy, and Yang, vibrant active energy. In your home, this could mean balancing cozy, soft furniture with bright, energizing accents. Think of it like the perfect blend of a peaceful retreat and a lively gathering space. Step 5. Use colors wisely. Each color represents a different type of energy in Feng Shui. Reds and oranges bring warmth and excitement, while blues and greens promote calmness. Choose colors that reflect the energy you want in each room. Want passion in the bedroom? Go for deeper reds. Seeking calm in the living room? Softer blues might be your answer. Step 6. Bring in the 5 elements. Everything in Feng Shui revolves around the 5 elements. These are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Add elements to your space based on the energy you want to cultivate. Want more creativity? Bring in wooden furniture or plants. Seeking grounding energy? Earth tones and earthenware ceramics will do the trick. Step 7. Use mirrors for energy flow. Mirrors are powerful in Feng Shui as they reflect energy. Do place a mirror in your dining area to symbolize doubling prosperity. Yet avoid mirrors facing your bed or your front door as they can disrupt peaceful energy. Step 8. Add life with plants. Plants are one of the easiest ways to improve the energy of a space. They purify the air and introduce vibrant life energy. Choose plants with soft, rounded leaves for the best Feng Shui results. Avoid placing them in your bedroom where they could overstimulate the space. Step 9. Incorporate personal symbols. Personal items with positive memories or symbols of your life goals can boost the energy of your home. Whether it's a family photo or an object from your travels, these items infuse the space with meaningful energy. Personal items remind you of your values and intentions. Step 10. Use water wisely. Water represents wealth and abundance in Feng Shui, so using it strategically can boost prosperity in your life. A small indoor fountain, aquarium, or even a well-placed bowl of water can invite this energy in. But avoid stagnant water. It should always be moving to keep the energy vibrant. And there you have it, with these 10 easy steps. Feng Shui might seem like an ancient, mysterious art, but it's easy to get started. You're well on your way to creating spaces that invite peace, prosperity, and positive energy into your life. Remember, Feng Shui is all about balance and intention. Take it one step at a time, and soon you'll notice the changes, not just in your home, but in how you feel every day. Until next time, may your qi flow smoothly and your spaces feel just right. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and click on the bell to get updates.